farm where we grow peppers, we grow herbs, and we make a lot of products with those. We make handcrafted lotions, soaps, and jellies. My parents are retired educators, and they can't seem to hold still, so they find new projects. And so they started this business just over 10 years ago. They started with a greenhouse or a hoop house operation, and they realized that was just seasonal. So during the non-summer months, they've started another operation where they can use their skills and also natural ingredients to help people be healthier. Handcrafted lotions here. We have quite a few different varieties and scents. We have unscented for those who have sensitivities to the scents. All of our lotions here are also handcrafted. They do not have harsh chemicals, so they're a little gentler for the skin than perhaps some commercial products. We have our jellies, which are really big sellers. We don't have traditional flavors. We have more homegrown flavors, such as our top seller is apricot habanero. We grow the habaneros for it. We have strawberry jalapeno. We have lavender lemon. We have a lot of unique flavors, and all are good. We're in northwest Oklahoma, between Okeen and Fairview. It's about an hour and a half from Oklahoma City.